Everything outside is gray and lonely. Spark electricity in our city, yeah.
Yo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For everyone, good evening guys. Balik lagi channel gue di Dikit-Dikit Makan. Introducing my friends. Perkenalkan nih teman gue. Hey,
Hi, so Malam. Yep, this is Stephen. I'm from London. Lived in a number of countries in Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and I love Indonesia.
Okay, and what are you having for dinner today?
It looks like it's going to be ayam bakar with nasi uduk.
Okay, we try it now.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
give it a try.
Check it out. Guys, malam ini malam terakhir untuk sholat taraweh karena besok kita udah takbiran, insyaallah. Dan malam ini gue coba review makanan di salah satu tempat sama temen gue, bule guys. Ini namanya Stephen. Ntar gue bakal review makanannya, gue mau makan apa. Nanti lanjut lagi guys. Cheers, cheers. So ayam goreng.
Ayam goreng, yeah.
Ayam goreng 2, saya mintanya paha. Which one?
Oh, dada, definitely dada.
Satu dada, satu paha, nasi putihnya 2.
Oh, a paha, man. Oh,
Yes.
definitely a dada, man.
I like paha so much.
And I love dada.
I like, yeah, too much
That's why
meat.
I like it. It's nice white soft meat.
I like
Cooked.
bone. I like bone.
Oh gosh. Okay.
What would you like drink?
ST Tawar.
ST Tawa. Okay. No manis?
Sudah, saya sudah cukup manis.
Teman gue ini mau pulang kampung, dia mau ke Inggris hari Jumat, jadi dia ngajakin ketemuan hari ini. Ya kayak farewellnya, tapi gue akan merindukannya.
Well, I'll be there for just over 1 week.
1 week.
So, but I will be missing you, Irfan, and of course I'll be
I will miss
missing
you
Indonesia
as well.
Great place.
Ada permintaan sama Stephen juga, kalau seandainya dia balik lagi ke Jakarta, please bawa cheese terenak yang ada di England. Gue pengen nyobain. Oke, jadi gue bakal rindu dia, dan gue juga berharap bisa balik lagi, bisa bawa oleh-oleh buat gue. Oke guys, sambil nunggu makanannya datang, nanti kita review makanannya gimana. Gue nggak tahu bule makan pecel ayam goreng, lo bayangin. Mereka biasanya makan steak, spaghetti, ini makan pecel ayam guys. Cheers.
Salt and pepper. You can have a cheese omelette, a mushroom omelette, maybe if you're given a ham omelette.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can have combinations of these.
Nicely. I love cheese.
Okay,
I love.
so cheese in an omelette for breakfast is a very pleasant start to the day, certainly.
Even at times some people eat cheese with grapes.
Yes.
It's good.
Yes. I mean, okay, the grape is adding sweetness to the thing, and I personally don't, if I'm going to a very posh restaurant, and I must show you photos in my archive of this, they will serve the cheeses, the cheese board at the end will come with a selection of cheeses. Maybe you choose them from a cheese trolley. You have a trolley with like 20 cheeses, different cheese types. You choose your cheeses, and then you can have fruit, which is typically grapes, dried apricot.
Oke, see.
Okay.
Pesanannya datang. Ini pesanan Stephen. Ini pesanan saya. Pakai ayam paha, ayam dada. So kita lihat guys gimana keseruan bule makan pecel ayam. Oke guys, kita mulai makan makanannya guys. Gue pakai nasi, sedangkan Stephen nggak pakai nasi, katanya dia kenyang. Ini gue juga kenyang karena gue udah buka puasa tadi, udah makan lumayan banyak. Cuman karena gue ada kedatangan Stephen, jadi mau nggak mau gue harus menyajikan tamu gue. Oke guys, kita mulai dengan makanan. It's hot.
Remember, I'm used to using a fork, and it's quite a technique to eating it by hand. Right. Well, I have to say, this sambal is one of the most powerful I've had in Jakarta.
Yeah.
It's a serious pedas sambal.
You like sambal?
Yeah. And of course, so many different varieties. I've yet to really go through
I
them
think the sambal,
systematically.
there's the content is some simples. You can feel. Yeah, I can feel.
So that makes it a sambal tarai? Tarai?
Rasi.
That's the word. Sorry, terasi.
Yes,
Terasi.
that is shrimp paste. Sambal terasi. Ini saya sambalnya pakai sambal terasi.
Thanks.
Ini yang salad Pak. Ya.
Thank you.
Sambalnya sambal terasi.
The tawa still needs a straw. You don't have to have the straw.
Minta
for it, sure.
sedotan atau lagi Mas? Sedotannya.
Oh.
But habis sedotannya habis. You can use my
Now,
It's alright.
that's the definition of friendship. Giving your friend the last straw.
It's alright.
That shows good. You are a true sahabat. Thank you, Irfan.
You're welcome. But for me, the chicken is not tasting enough.
Really?
The sambal is help the chicken more better.
Or to disguise the chicken, because the heat of the sambal disguises the flavour.
Without sambal, it's
Back
nothing.
of it. For me, the chicken's quite pleasant. It's not too dry. It's been cooked nicely. But moist, that's the word I'm looking for, thanks. But the service is a bit erratic, isn't it? The missing straw, running out of straws, and them providing the two nasi putum instead of just one. It's,
Guys, tadinya mau makan pakai nasi uduk, cuma nasi uduknya nggak ada, lagi habis apa lagi nggak buat gue nggak tahu. Jadinya gue makan pakai nasi putih aja sama pecel ayamnya. Sambalnya sambal terasi, pedas, enak. Cuman buat gue ayamnya agak sedikit kurang berasa sampai ke dalam gitu, kurang berasa sampai ke dalam. Tapi lumayan, ketolong sama sambalnya, enak guys. Sorry seandainya nggak kurang kedengeran karena gue di pinggir jalan. Jadi banyak motor kendaraan pada lewat. Oke guys, gue lanjut makan ya.
It is a very quite typical Jakarta street food place, this, isn't it?
Actually, I have food already as well.
You see,
I thought
that's the danger.
the rice is very small, but the
That's enough for two people, and they wanted to serve us
Yeah.
two of those. Yeah.
buat orang Indonesia minum nggak pakai sedotan nggak masalah. Tapi kalau buat orang bule minum nggak pakai sedotan kayaknya ada yang kurang. I said for drink for Indonesian people without straw it's no problem, but for bule it's very important.
Well, yes. Thank you. Using my hands.
Pedas guys. Pedas. You gonna finish the sambal? You gonna finish sambal? Really?
I have more. I'm enjoying it. I'm not going to finish it all now. There's a lot of sambal on the plate, isn't there? Unusual.
Too much. Guys, mungkin untuk kedepannya ya sekali-kali gue bakal bikin vlog lagi sama Mr. Steven ini. Untuk selanjutnya entah gue makan di pinggir jalan lagi atau makan di mana. Kalau bisa lo komentar di bawah guys, kira-kira gue sama bule ini gue makan di mana. I said maybe we can make vlog other vlog or other place.
Good fun.
Yeah. When you come back from England.
Yeah, thanks.
Guys, alhamdulillah baru selesai makan. Pedes sambalnya, enak sambalnya. Gue kenyang, sorry gue nggak habisin nasinya, tapi overall enak lah. Gue suka. How about you? How about the food?
I've enjoyed
Overall.
it. As I was saying to everyone before, the chicken is pleasantly large, which is nice. Lots of good meat on it, but it's not, because it's large, it's not an ayam kampung.
Yes.
And possibly flavour comes more from the sambal, which is nice, fiery but not too fiery, than it does from the chicken. The outside of the chicken skin has been lightly seasoned, so for me, yeah, maybe not the best ayam goreng in the world, but perfectly acceptable. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
Ya, gue ikut enjoy juga. Meskipun sebenarnya Steven lebih suka ayam kampung. Cuman ini sama, gue juga suka ayam kampung, tapi nyatanya memang di sini nggak ada ayam kampung. So, kira gue makan menu apa deh. Oke guys, nanti kita lanjut lagi. Cheers, peace. Oke, maybe malam ini vlognya udah selesai. Gue udah nyampe rumah. Tadi gue baru selesai makan, nggak jauh dari rumah makanannya. Kita makan ayam goreng. I enjoy for food. Mr. Steven juga mau pamit karena Jumat Friday, right?
Yes,
good
I
flight.
fly out on
Jumat besok dia mau berangkat ke England. So sampai sini aja diakhirin vlog hari ini. Oke, guys, jangan lupa subscribe, like, comment, kritik dan saran untuk channel Dikit-Dikit Makan ini. Terima kasih untuk semuanya. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you. Selamat malam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Cheers. Peace.